Hi, I'm Emily Nelson, Territory Sales Manager for Sub-Zero Wolf Cove in the Orange County and South Bay market. Today I want to show you our 48-inch dual fuel range. This one particular happens to be 48 inches with all burners, so you're able to put all your pots and pans that you might need for the holidays. We have two ovens with this, one 30-inch and one nice 18-inch oven. 30-inch offers ample space with two full extension ball bearing racks for all your cooking needs. Our smaller, fully featured 18-inch oven allows you to cook smaller dishes. It also offers a full self-cleaning oven in addition to the larger oven. To operate the oven, you simply rotate the bezel. You'll turn the knob to select the temperature, which will jump up in 25-degree increments or drop down. You also have the ability to use our gourmet mode, which you'll be able to use our touchscreen control panel here to select whatever category your food might fall under, to make cooking very simple and easy by the oven selecting its own time, temperature, and mode. If you want to experience the 48-inch dual fuel range by Wolf, come down to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, California to see one of the largest displays of Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove appliances.